Station where I am the observer for the ODM candidate, and you can see I'm duly designated. I've been attacked by a rocco with a team of goons. They have gone with a gun for my bodyguard, and you can see they have stoned me, and he's the one who was telling me to hit me when I'm with him. And I'm here to wait for our ODM candidate who is on the way to vote. That is what we are waiting for. He's arriving here in 5 minutes. This is not acceptable. I want to tell our people to stay, come out and vote. Don't worry about what is happening. Come out and vote. These people want to cause violence so that they scare people from voting, because they know we have won already. So come out and vote. You see, they have attacked me, but I'm still here. There is no issue. Come out and vote. As we encourage our people, please don't react even if you are attacked. Just the way you have not reacted even under attack. Let us not react.
Some of them are accusing you of violence. That's the case.
But I've been with you here already. I'm an observer. Check me if I have even a coin. Those are the gimmicks they usually use to attack you. But this is an Aroko skill. And let me tell him that the day is going to end. And the target they are bringing him as a full master. That is why we want to pay back in terms of peace. Don't fight back. If I wanted to fight them back, there would be death here. And that is what they want. They want to discourage people from coming to vote that I instruct. So there is no problem.